Welcome to Care Canada Driving School. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the parallel parking poles so you can practice at home before you go for the road test. As you can see, we need 4 set of poles in order to do the parallel parking. Pole number 1, pole number 2, pole number 3, and pole number 4. Okay, so pole 1 and 2 basically represents a car length. Pole 2 and 3, this is the gap where you are going to do the parallel parking. Now let's talk about the measurement. I would suggest you start putting up the poles in a reverse order. First of all, let's start from the pole number 4. So this pole is 18 inches away from the curb. Alright, now let's go to the next pole, pole 3. This pole is 6 feet from the curb. Please make sure these pole 3 and 4 are also in a line. Okay, now let's move on to pole number 2. You need to measure 25 feet distance from pole 3 to pole 2. Again, make sure this pole 2 also 6 feet away from the curb. Alright, now last but not least, pole number 1. So the distance from pole 2 to pole number 1 is about 17 feet. Now make sure again that pole number 1 also is 6 feet away from the curb. So when you stand beside, you will see all pole number 1, 2, 3 must be in a line. And now pole number 3 and 4 also line up against each other. Alright, so this is how you're gonna set up the poles. Again, remember, there are 4 poles involved. You should be setting up poles in a reverse order. Alright, now if you have any question or if you want to learn how to do parallel parking in just one lesson, feel free to contact Care Canada Driving School, phone number 204-880-2526. Thank you, and always drive safe.